Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the CAP series. So CAP is state that a distributed system can provide just two of the three, these three. This one means the consistency, and this means availability, and this means the partition to torrent. Torrency. So what's the consistent means? This consistent means every read from the database and return the most recently right. This means all the nodes that can see the same data at the same time. So what the availability means? This means every request receive a response, whatever the success or failures. And even sometimes some nodes, some servers is offline, but still get some response. So which means every request will receive a response. It's kind of like called like a response guaranteed. And so what is partition to torrent? Partition to torrent is mean the system continue to functions even the network got some break, it still can work. Like you translate money or something, even the network is broke, it will not impact that. So that is kind of like a partition to torrent. But when we design a system or something, we only can pick up two of those three. They cannot exist at the same time. It's kind of like a trade-off, so you have to do that. Only two of three, you have to choose. So most generally, we always this always exists. Because partition to torrent is relative to the network failures. And this is a very common thing, need to handle it. So it's kind of like, it's very normal is for the PC or PA, you actually, normally you just only have the two options. So we can take an example to more detail to discuss about what is the consistency, what is the availability. So let's go through the example. And suppose we have some servers now. We have the servers, right? Server is in the USA, and they'll have some of the data. And this is the server. And here has the user. There's two server like in the Europe. And here's the data. Here is a user A. Well, normally it will like write something. And this has some like replicate. And for here is and also have the user B. It will read. So send the request, return the response. So image, you are running the web servers, right? These are web servers. And one is in the USA and one is in the Europe. And when the user just update the profiles, like update, here is update the profile. let's say like display, update their display name. And then when it's update, these things will duplicate for here. And then the user B can read from the database, from the servers can read what the users update. And everything is very smoothly until we encounter something we call like a network failures, right? So which means this one will broke and this one not exist now. It also means like this one also means this not exist now. The question changed to the how you do. So you have the two things to do. You don't have too much options, so you kind of like the partition is always half because this means the partition now. So we need to choose the C. If we choose the C, it means consistency, right? So it will, when the user B wants to read something, it will return the error. We cannot guarantee the data. This is option one. And if we choose like if we choose available A, this is option B, 2. It shows the data in the server. Not sure the latest. So this is the A's mean here. So this is an example about what the meaning of C and available, right? So here it has some question like when to choose availability. So this is mean the answer is depends. The major of systems, right, depends on what kind of a system you want to do, right? If the social media, it's okay for the choose A, it's fine, no worry about. And another thing is like content platform. Like Netflix, choose A, it's okay. If someone update the movie like descriptions or showing the old description temporarily, it will not impact too much. And also it's kind of like a review site. Choose A is also okay. If a restaurant, right, update their hours, showing slides, out of date information, it's okay for the latency, whatever the correctness. But you know, what is choose the consistency? If choose the consistency here, it's kind of like we need to exactly system, very high security part like a ticket booking system. Another thing is like money part, commercial commerce inventory. The third is the financial system, like stock trading platform. So based on those informations, both based on those different platforms, you can choose different way to do this. Yep. This is what the CAP series mean. Thank you.